you get the last one, B?
Yeah, I think it's loose now.
First impression, not bad, just extremely dusty, but what can you do? It came straight from the desert. The condition of the headlight is actually still very good. And look at these rims, badly scratched. Yeah, if it's like this, I think I'll just do some minor fixes, and for $5,000, I hit the jackpot. Let's open the hood. Shit, what the heck is this? I don't even know how the previous owner used this car. There was so much trash in the front trunk. But yeah, whatever, let's move on. I want to check the interior first. Let's start the engine for the first time.
What happened, dude? I don't know, maybe the engine has a fault, or maybe the battery is dead.
Let's check it first. Hopefully it's just the battery that's dead. What?
Now I understand why it was cheap. I'll be honest, I was way too excited. I was just scrolling through the internet, seeing people score supercars for crazy cheap over there, and I thought, why not me? So I started searching, and that's how I ended up with this green Lamborghini Huracan. But the moment I realized there was no engine, I contacted the seller, and yeah, total disaster.
Why didn't you tell me from the beginning? This is a scam! You scammed me!
Turns out I completely missed the part where it said the car was body and chassis only. No engine, no drivetrain, just a rolling shell, a wreck. That one's on me. I didn't pay enough attention, and yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I cried all night because I felt incredibly stupid. But what's done is done. There's no turning back now. So instead of dwelling on it, I've decided to focus on building this car properly. I'm going all in, no shortcuts. I'm going to turn this into something beautiful. This won't just be a rebuild. I'm going to make it my dream supercar.
The wheels are already off. Let's clean the car first.
With paint like this, I can't really say it's decent, let alone good. So yeah, looks like our next step is sanding these bad surfaces first.
It's already too late tonight. Let's continue tomorrow, but I'm thinking of wrapping this car in white.
I'm starting to like how this car looks now, but this isn't everything yet. I've already ordered 3 additional items. Let's go check them out. Look at this. Finally got the new carbon fiber hood for the Huracan. The weave looks incredible. Finally, it's done. The look is exactly what I wanted. For me, this is already cool enough. That's good. I really love this modification right here, especially the carbon hood. It feels truly fresh and gives the car a completely new look.
The spoiler is also really nice. You know, I mean, it's nice. The look is nice. However, this car still can't run.
This might be the final result. I know I still have a huge homework. Yes, the engine.
So what do you guys think? Should I buy a brand new engine or should we custom one from an old sedan to save some money?
Maybe if this video hits 1 million views, I'll custom it with an old school sedan engine.